How do pop-up drink stands avoid cash shortages? They avoid running out of cash by keeping a starting float of small bills and coins, counting their drawer before and after each shift, and pushing customers toward card or mobile payments so less actual cash moves through the stand. Think of a lemonade stand that only has big bills in the box. If someone hands over a $20 bill for a $5 drink, the stand needs smaller bills and coins to give back change, where they simply cannot make the sale. That is why smart stand owners start each day with what is called a cash float, which is just a small stack of ones, fives, and coins set aside only for making change. Many stands also round their prices to whole dollars, like charging $5 instead of $4.75, so they need way fewer coins throughout the day. A trick most people never think about is that some vendors actually buy rolled coins from their bank the night before, almost like buying supplies, just to guarantee they will not get stuck without change during a rush. Another lesser-known move is having a rule where any bill larger than $20 gets set aside in a separate envelope instead of going into the regular drawer, so the small bills stay available for change. One big thing to watch for is a rush of customers all paying with large bills at once, which can drain your small bills fast, so keep extra ones and fives tucked away separately as backup. Another issue is forgetting to count your drawer at the start of the day, which makes it almost impossible to know if you are actually running low or if money was miscounted, so always count twice before opening. A third thing people overlook is relying only on cash in 2026, when a lot of customers expect to pay by phone, so having a simple card reader can seriously cut down how much cash you even need to manage. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.